IFT एग्जामिनेशन इज ऑन 24th ऑफ जनवरी। IFT एग्जामिनेशन 24 तारीख को है। और क्या एज अ स्टूडेंट मैं क्या करूं ताकि मेरा जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो अपने परफेक्शन पे पहुंच जाए, मेरा जो कैलिबर है वो मैं कंप्लीटली यूटिलाइज करके अपने पोटेंशियल को रियलाइज करूं। नो गाइज, हाउ and what needs to be done in these last days so that you get the maximum in upcoming IFT examination on 24th of January. Now guys, I am not going to give you any special trick or any magical gyan that will make you reach 90 percentile, 95, 99 percentile in last days. ये जो डायलॉग्स होते हैं और जो थंबनेल्स होते हैं, the job of these thumbnails or these dialogues is to get views. But then I am not going to do that. I am going to give you the truth, the reality. And the truth and reality is this, that there are few things that you can do in these last days without stressing yourself, without burning yourself out. And yes, these pointers will make sure that you get better in upcoming IFT examination. So, तो पहली चीज तो ये, guys, please attempt a complete length mock. मैंने जब कहा ये कंप्लीट लेंथ मॉक, मैं बताता हूं क्या। पीपल अपेयर इन मॉक्स बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हाइल अटेम्प्टिंग अ मॉक दे डू नॉट ट्राई टू बी सिंसियर। आफ्टर 1 hour they stop attempting the mock, or maybe after 1 hour the examination, the mock examination is not going good. mock मतलब demo test सही नहीं जा रहा, so they stop doing it. Maybe after a few minutes they get distracted, they start doing else, and that mock is gone. So whenever you sit for a mock, no matter what, attempt the complete length mock. Maybe you are done with the questions, you do not know what needs to be answered, but still you imagine yourself to be in the examination and restrict and try to discipline yourself for the complete length mock. After that, analyze. After attempting a complete length mock, the way you are going to attempt the examination, analyze that what mistakes you have done, so that you do not repeat them. Guys, mock का जो मेन फंडा होता है ये नहीं कि आप उसको अटेम्प्ट करो, यूटिलाइज करो और कुछ और करो। कई लोगों को लगता है मॉक्स देने से स्कोर बढ़ जाएगा। मॉक्स देने से स्कोर नहीं बढ़ेगा। मॉक्स देने के बाद अपनी मिस्टेक्स के ऊपर वर्क करने से आपका स्कोर बढ़ेगा। मॉक देने के बाद 3 टाइप के क्वेश्चन होंगे। एक जो आपको लगता है कि अब आप कर नहीं सकते, एक जो आपने जो सिली एरर्स किए, और एक जो आप परफेक्टली कर सकते हो। सो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दोस 2 टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन. One where you are good, another where you are going wrong because of some silly mistake. So please try to rectify those errors. Questions where you cannot do much. Now the number of days are not many, so do not try to do that. I hope you guys understand how to attempt a mock and how to analyze it. After attempting a mock, at least spend 3 to 4 hours working on your mistakes, working on your errors done in that mock, so that you do not repeat them. ज्यादा खुद को बर्न आउट मत करो. सेकेंड पॉइंटर इज डू नॉट बर्न आउट योर सेल्फ अ लॉट. आफ्टर अटेम्प्टिंग अ मॉक, एनालाइजिंग इट, गेटिंग डन विद इट, take a break, okay? Do something that you love. For example, watch a movie or go out with your friends, and then keep your mind fresh. Make sure that you sleep well, because an exhausted mind cannot give you 100% performance. So make sure that you keep yourself fresh, you keep yourself entertained and rested well. So that is the second point. Third point is make sure that you go through the questions that have been asked previously asked question papers में से जो questions आए हुए हैं उनको attempt करो, अपनी टाइमिंग देखो, अपना परफॉर्मेंस गेज करो, उसके बाद देखो कि क्या मिस्टेक्स आपने की, कैसे आप उसको बेटर कर सकते हो. Try to do that. In quant section, of course, the similar stuff is applicable. GK guys, जनरल नॉलेज एक ऐसा चीज है जो आप आखिरी मोमेंट पे नहीं कर सकते. You need to read regularly, but still, whatever you can do, make sure you do that. I'm sure if you are preparing for IFT examination, you have been doing something in regards to this. But अगर आप कोई ऐसे स्टूडेंट हो जिसने लास्ट मोमेंट पे डिसाइड किया कि उसको IFT का एग्जाम देना बिकॉज ऑफ मे बी आपका कोई फ्रेंड अटेम्प्ट कर रहा है, या तो आपको किसी कोचिंग क्लास के काउंसलर या फैकल्टी ने जज कर दिया कि आप ये वाला एग्जाम भी दे दो, और आप दे रहे हो without a proper planning, without a proper studying plan and execution. Guys, you all know what is going to happen after the examination. So be realistic. Do not have unrealistic expectations and work on them. Make sure that you are smart, you analyze your well, and you keep on following these pointers what I'm mentioning. And the last point that I want to suggest is this, that while practicing questions, of course you must have rough notes. आपने जब क्वांट के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस किए होंगे, जब आप वर्बल के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होंगे, तो जो रफ पेजेस हैं, those rough pages are like gold mine, gold dust for you guys. What you can do, you can go through those pages while attempting a particular kind of a question. You must have done some mistake, you must have realized how to rectify that, and that all is there documented in your rough notes. जब आप गो थ्रू करोगे उस क्वेश्चंस को, उस एरर्स को, आपकी सारी मेमोरीज रिफ्रेश हो जाएंगी. नॉट जस्ट दैट दोज मेमोरीज आर गोइंग टू गेट रिफ्रेश, you will understand what mistakes you were doing and what you did to rectify those errors. I hope you guys are getting my point. So the first point is, attempt a complete length mock sincerely the way you are going to attempt the examination, and please analyze it perfectly, calmly, investing a decent amount of time in it. Second point is, make sure that you are rested well. You do something in between so that you keep yourself entertained and fresh, and then come back to the studies. Third point is, work on your mistakes. Work on those kind of questions that you can do easily, or maybe because of some silly error you are unable to do them. Check the last year cutoff. Check the last year cutoff and try to reach there. Try to match that. And the last point that I've mentioned, that please go through your rough notes, rough pages, that will help you to understand what mistakes you have done in the past so that you can better it. I hope ये जो कुछ pointers हैं, these pointers will definitely help you to enhance your performance, to keep you relaxed, and to make sure that you realize your potential, you get the best in the upcoming examination of IFT on 24th of January. Best of luck and do good.